Late start today from Inverness. We're heading down towards Tighnabruaich, but first we have to go and replace the bulb in my rear indicator, which is off. I found a bike shop which is only 5 minutes away. I've got a spare bulb, but it didn't quite fit. At least I hope that's the problem and not some sort of wiring issue. Oh, I haven't put my earplugs in. I forgot how loud the bike is without them. Right. Oh, I had fun on the deep gravel last night moving this beast, turning it round.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first right.
Right. Oh, look at this way. Let's hope it's all right turns. That looks good to me.
Arriving at 3 Carsuckers Road North on the right.
Just coming along it's Lochlochie beside now at Fort William. Absolutely gorgeous. It's warmed up a little bit. I've picked up a sandwich from a garage and going to find somewhere to stop and eat it.